Welcome. In front of me is a Poco Pad, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, start holding your power button and ignore Google Assistant.
For that, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network first.
Swipe up to turn off the device, and when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You will see Fastboot mode. Once you do, you can let go of both of the buttons. So that is how you boot your device into Fastboot mode. Now to leave this mode, you'll need to hold these two buttons once more till the screen turns off. So I'm going to do that right now. Now I am keeping my hand on the screen because if I don't, camera loses focus. So power button, volume down. There we go, it just turned off. Let's hold our power button once more. There we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.